Welcome to Gig Machine AI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to use Gig Finder in Gig Machine AI. Go to the left menu and click on Gig Finder. Here you can discover high-paying gigs from Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer that AI can help you complete. Just add keyword to search gigs. Choose platforms. Choose categories. You can also use advanced features, like AI match score etc. And you will get freelance gigs instantly. Click on your desired result and you will get all details of your gig. You can view it on platform. Thanks for watching the video.